So these are two questions that you should ask yourself when you're turning your primary home into an investment property. Number one, am I missing out on capital gains? And the second question is, what is my estimated rate of return, right? So are you missing out on capital gains? When you sell your property for more than what you paid for it, you have a capital gain. That could be subject to capital gains tax. The current tax rate for capital gains is anywhere from 0 to 20%, depending on your level of income. You might even also be subject to an additional 3.8% net investment income tax. All right, however, if you've lived in your house as your primary residence for 2 full years out of the past 5 years, you might be able to sell your house without paying capital gains tax or even net investment income tax, right? Because the primary residence capital gains tax exclusion is up to $250,000 for single taxpayers and $500,000 for married couples who are filing taxes jointly. In order to qualify for this exclusion, you need to sell your home, you need to sell your primary home within 3 years of moving out. Otherwise, you can miss out on a significant amount of tax-free money. For additional details, you can probably go check out, I believe it's the IRS publication 523, and also speak to your CPA for more details. Excuse me real quick. Have to hydrate, it's a lot of talking. The second question is, what's my estimated rate of return on investment, right? So if you're going to turn your primary home into an investment instead of selling it, it would be smart to estimate your rate of return the same way you would for any other investment out there. All right, so things that you should ask yourself is, how much am I going to charge for rent, right? That's probably one of the most obvious. What is going to be my monthly expenses, all right? And that's including any maintenance if you have any. What's going to be my estimated holding period, meaning when do I plan on selling this investment? What's my estimated sale at the time that I do sell this puppy? Also, what's going to be the cost of the sale and the net proceeds of that sale, right? And the last question, or the last thing you should ask yourself is, what is my annual internal rate of return, and how does that even compare to other investment opportunities out there? All right, guys, if you need more information on this, contact me. I'd love to run numbers for you. Also, quick side note, what we just spoke about is provided for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. Please consult with a tax advisor for specific advice pertaining to your situation. For more information on any of these items, please reference, again, IRS publication 523. I hope you guys find this information of value. It's the Mortgage King, so you know who said it.